Think about the last time a video that truly captivated you. Was it the raw emotion, the thrilling pace, or the perfect soundtrack that left you speechless? The answer in one word is storytelling. Video editing is far more than simply cutting clips and adding transition. It's the art of crafting a narrative that connects deeply with your audience. Every cut, color grade, sound effect acts as a brushstroke on the canvas of your story, evoking emotions and breathing life into your vision. Pacing plays a pivotal role. Quick cuts can build excitement and tension, keeping viewers on the edge of their seats. On the other hand, slower, lingering shots allow for deeper emotional connection and reflection. The rhythm of your edits should seamlessly align with the heartbeat of your story. Sound design is equally powerful. Music, dialogue, and sound effects work together to create atmosphere and draw your audience into the moment. A well-timed audio can amplify emotions and make a scene unforgettable. They were piecing together a heartwarming wedding video, an adventurous travel park, or a gripping cinematic masterpiece. The essence of storytelling remains constant to make your audience feel something profound and memorable. As a video editor, you are not just manipulating footages. You are a storyteller, crafting experience and hearts of viewers long after the final frame. So next time you sit down to edit, remember, every frame matters. Every cut tells a story. And every song carries emotion. Thank you for watching it. See you in the next video.